guys, and here at a long drive here at Cabrillo National Monument or Monumento Nacional Cabrillo. It is a US national monument at the southern tip of the Point Loma Peninsula in San Diego. It commemorates the landing of Juan Rodriguez Cabrillo at San Diego on September 28, 1540. This event marked the first time a European expedition had set foot on what later became the west coast of the United States. The site is designated as California Historical Landmark number 56 in 1932. The area was listed on the National Register of Historic Places on October 15, 1966. Magkaroon lang ng time para makapasyal din dito. Yung unang pumunta ko rito, kasama ko si uncle ko, Uncle Boy. But now, naiinip lang ako sa bahay kaya gumala na ako rito. This was done in December 2017. Right now, I'm headed to the Point Loma Lighthouse and sa baba niya para medyo makita natin ang sunset mamaya. But right now, I'm still headed for it. Sana may nakasama din ako dito. Wala. Kaya ako lang nag-isa drive dito. I wish Mama was here with me right now, but she's with God now. I always pray for her. Sa kanan na yun yung opisina nitong Cabrillo National Park. Right now, nandito na tayo. Ito po yung malapit sa Point Loma Lighthouse, and it is a historic lighthouse located on the Point Loma Peninsula at the mouth of San Diego Bay in San Diego, California. It is situated on half an acre of land designated Cabrillo National Monument. It is no longer in operation as a lighthouse, but is open to the public as a museum. It is sometimes erroneously called the Old Spanish Lighthouse. But in fact, it was not built during the San Diego Spanish or Mexican eras. It was built in 1855 by the United States government after California's admission as a state. As you can see, guys, it's beautiful here, especially on sunsets. There's a lot of people visiting this place. Yun po ang lighthouse, yung Point Loma Lighthouse. Ayan. Kita nyo naman guys, napakaganda rito. I think this is my second time here, and sa baba nito may parang yung baba niyan medyo may beach yung baba niyan, kaya so hindi ko maalala ang pangalan. Next time doon tayo pupunta sa beach sa baba. Hindi ko lang maalala yung pangalan, pero makikita din natin yun doon. Anyway guys, thanks again for watching, and may God bless us all. See you on my next